In this video, we're going to talk about something super useful when working with AI. The idea is called the Iterative Refinement Loop. Basically, you don't have to write the perfect prompt right away. Instead, you start with a basic prompt, see what the AI gives you, and then slowly improve the prompt to get better results. Let's understand this concept with a simple example. Imagine I'm a new investor. I don't have any prior experience with investing. Now I have some money, and I want to invest it somewhere. For that, I want to find a REIT that is a good investment. Instead of doing the investment analysis myself, I ask the LLM for help. I attach the form of the REIT I'm considering for the investment and ask the LLM if it's a good investment or not. So I'll start with this general prompt and get some output from it. I'll go through that output, then choose the factors I want this REIT to have to be considered good. Based on that output, it gave me a general investment overview that's not even complete. It's pretty limited, and I don't think I can make a decision based on this intuition. Let me improve my previous part, where I added some factors like performance, risk, and dividend, and I'll ask the LLM to evaluate this REIT based on those facts. So let's see what response I get this time. Okay. It gave me an evaluation of this REIT in terms of performance, showing revenue growth and net losses. That means this company is making net losses, not profits. A little bit about its operating expenses, total assets, and the risk and dividend strength. As an investor, I want my REIT to be really good at giving dividends to its shareholders. So let's improve my version of prompt where I ask it to do an analysis based on dividends and all the related factors, which are important for me as an investor. My next prompt starts with act as an investment analyst. This is going to make the analysis really domain-specific. I ask it to write an investment memo with 4 parts. The first part is going to be a summary recommendation, where it recommends something about this REIT, whether I should invest or not. The next part is FFO, which tells me about the cash earnings of this REIT, and the dividend yield analysis, which shows what portion of the total cash earnings they are paying out to shareholders. Any risk factors that could affect its dividend. Also, I need a comparison to see if there are other REITs paying better dividends than this one. I want it to stay strictly analytical and keep the memo concise. Now let's see the response I get this time. In summary, it is recommending me that this REIT is still in its early stages. So I probably shouldn't put my money into it right now. Instead, I should wait and keep an eye on how it performs. This part talks about its FFO. They haven't disclosed any FFO in this form, and the dividend yield is mentioned in the risk factors. It describes 3 risk factors that could impact its performance and dividends. In this paragraph, it compares a few REITs with other competitors based on the price-to-book ratio. In conclusion, it asks me to hold on and not to invest right away. Instead, I should wait and keep an eye on the front views throughout the whole process. We realized we started from a place where we didn't really know how to write a proper and clear prompt. So we began with a general version of the prompt and reviewed its output. In our second prompt, we tried to include some factors that came to mind after checking the output of the first one. After reviewing the output of our second prompt, we developed a clear picture in our minds of what those factors are. This was a simple example, and it only had 3 prompts. But in your case, if you're not happy with the output of your prompt, you can keep trying and tweaking it until you get the best version.